Hello, I'm Tony Cordato,
Hello everyone, Peter Kukulis here.
and we're going to talk about property.
Tony, thank you very much for coming here at our Stealth Financial headquarters. So a lot of clients ask us a question, what happens when you've got properties and you die? You know, what happens to those properties?
Well, if the property's in your name, something's got to happen. Someone's got to look after it. And that someone is best an executor, who's someone appointed under a will to look after your estate. If you don't have a will, then someone's got to apply and spend a whole lot of money to apply to be an executor. So a will, and the executor then looks after the estate.
Perfect.
Of course, there's an exception.
There always is.
The exception is when you've got a family home. Because normally a family home is bought in two names, jointly.
Correct.
And normally the jointly is called joint tenants. So on death, the person who dies, their interest automatically goes to the survivor. It doesn't need a will, doesn't need anything. It just goes automatically. So family homes, joint tenants, automatic. But any other property is likely to be either owned in a single name or owned jointly in the other form called tenants in common. So it has to be left by will, or if there's no will, goes according to the law of intestacy, which means that maybe all the children and the wife take a share. If you don't have any of them, brothers and sisters take a share. Maybe your parents, if they're still alive, take a share. It's a real mess without a will.
Yeah, 100%, absolutely. Yeah, you need a will in place.
So have you seen any problems like that?
Actually, one today. Mother passed on, and there's 8 kids, and most of the kids are okay, but one of them, the older sibling, is just not cooperating,
Right.
and it's just making it difficult for everyone else.
Yeah.
And the situation is unique. But what I see, and I've seen this numerous times over and over again, it's greed.
Yeah.
You know, the parent has left, they've passed on, and they leave their house or houses or investments, and then the kids go, all right, you know, what can I take? Greed, instead of just share it equally.
Yeah.
And just make it nice and smooth process.
And then you find someone to live there.
Yep.
Maybe one has been living there. Someone to keep the house, someone to sell the house. It's a real mess. And that's the kind of thing you can put in the will, that someone can buy it out.
Correct. Yeah.
Or someone has the right to live there for as long as they live.
Yeah. Yeah.
That kind of thing.
Correct.
So, yeah. That's legal complications if you don't think about it and do something before you die.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you want to prepare things for your kids instead of leaving it to the last minute, going, okay, here's my will and good luck, I'm out of here, and all the best. You guys sort it out. It's not our problem anymore. We're gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, making sure you're prepared for the future of your kids. Absolutely.
Yeah. No, that's great. That's great, Pete.
Thank you, Tony. Excellent. See you guys on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye for now.